Hello, my name is BBenson, and this is my presentation. My target library is the Central Library in downtown Tulsa, and my program is a four-part series of classes on computer literacy, including Intro to Computers, Computers at Central Library, Intro to the Internet, and Library Resources Online. My community engagement plan includes an assessment of the demographics of the community served by Central Library, which includes that over 14% of the population is over the age of 65 and nearly 25% of residents live below the poverty level. As these are groups that have historically been part of the digital divide, a computer literacy series would be the perfect subject for programming. Literature shows that library systems meet the needs of users by offering free computer use and assistance, and offer opportunities to those who would not have them. The following inputs, activities, outputs, and outcomes highlight the resources available and the different components that we can assess from the implementation of this series, as well as short and long-term outcomes to the benefit of the library and the community. My marketing plan includes the following goals and short and long-term objectives, which include increasing the digital literacy of community members, lessening the digital divide, and increasing customer use of library resources. The following marketing plan SWOT analysis highlights the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats that will influence the implementation of this computer series. And the marketing plan will measure success through the following surveys shown on the right, given to attendees of the program, as well as other statistics. The ethics framework that influence this marketing plan includes components of the Tulsa City County Library Core Values and Goals, the ALA Bill of Rights, and the Public Relations Society of America as listed here. For my Communications and Public Relations strategy, the following memo will be sent to the Director of Customer Experience, and this one will be sent to Central Library staff, highlighting the importance of the program and the specifics of the classes. Social media has been assessed to see the importance of Facebook and Twitter towards promoting the programs. And the following goals were created, both short and long term, including the number of attendees, social media engagement, and the usage of library resources. Media plan audience includes those we're currently reaching, as well as those we hope to reach. And the messages include that older community members and those in lower socioeconomic areas have not had the opportunity to build and hone digital literacy skills, but through Central Library in this program, they now have that opportunity. This is a list of the various media through which we will relay our message and the tools that we will use. The timeline includes memos in November, as well as a gradual social media and main media push throughout January and February, which includes the following press release to go out to the main media in the latter part of January. For my advocacy plan, the following objectives include promoting the computer series both internally and externally through various means, relaying these following messages, including that Central Library contributes to its community by providing resources and services to fill important needs, and through the use of technology, people can build the skills necessary for a better life. These key audiences will be targeted, including local community members and Central Library customers and staff. And this is important to them so that they know what the library is doing to assist the community. We want them all to think that this is a good idea and feel comfortable either attending the program or recommending it to others, which leads to the call to action, which is to attend the program if you can benefit from it, and recommend it to those who you see could benefit from it. The following facts support the message, including statistics on the use of computers at libraries and the importance of computer literacy in obtaining a job. And the following components will be used to determine the success of the advocacy plan. So for an overview, the community engagement plan, the marketing plan, the communications and public relations strategy, and the advocacy plan all work together in the creation of a program that will be implemented to the benefit of the community and show how Central Library can help the community they serve and advocate for their organization. In conclusion, to meet the needs of a community, it is essential that a library understands all components of their community and create programming geared towards their needs. Marketing includes determining all possible tools and modes of communication, and it's essential that libraries continually advocate to their community members. Thank you very much for your time.